Watch until the end to find out how much the fix cost. Hey everyone, if you drive a 2019 Ford F-150 Limited with the 3.5L EcoBoost High Output engine, this is important. There's a technical issue that's been showing up for some owners, and it's something you'll want to know about, especially if you care about your truck's performance and reliability. Ford has released a technical service bulletin, TSB 19-2286, about this problem. The National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, also lists it as ID 101657006. But what's really going on here? The issue centers around the muffler. On some of these trucks, the muffler was assembled incorrectly at the factory. Specifically, the internal tube inside the muffler was installed the wrong way, which restricts the exhaust flow. When exhaust can't flow freely, your engine has to work harder to push out gases. This can lead to a bunch of noticeable symptoms, like a rough idle, loss of power when you accelerate, or even engine misfires. You might also see the check engine light pop up on your dashboard. Common codes related to this issue are P0300 through P0306, which all point to misfires in different cylinders. Some owners have reported their trucks feeling sluggish, especially when towing or merging onto the highway. Others have noticed a drop in fuel economy or a strange rattling sound from the exhaust. The TSB was issued on September 20, 2019, and the NHTSA listed it a few days later. If your truck was built on or before June 1, 2019, and has the high output 3.5L EcoBoost, you could be affected. Owners of 2019 Raptors with the same engine have also reported similar problems, so it's not just the limited trim. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's worth checking out. Ignoring this issue can lead to more serious engine problems over time, including increased wear, more frequent misfires, and even potential damage to the catalytic converter. That's why it's so important to get it checked and fixed if you notice any warning signs. So if you've got a 2019 F-150 Limited or Raptor with the high output 3.5L EcoBoost, and you're seeing any of these symptoms, don't wait. The fix is straightforward, and getting it done early can save you a lot of headaches down the road. The official fix is pretty straightforward. When you take your truck to the dealer, their techs will disconnect the muffler from the inlet and measure the internal tube. If that measurement is 584 millimeters, or about 23 inches or less, your truck is affected by this TSB. The solution? The dealer will swap out your muffler for a new one, part number KL3Z5230A. It usually takes about an hour or so to do the job. If your truck is still under the new vehicle or emissions warranty, this fix is covered, so you shouldn't be paying out of pocket. Just to be clear, this is not a recall. TSBs like this are basically guides for dealers, not mandatory recalls. Recalls are for safety or emissions defects and always require the manufacturer to notify you. TSBs are more about letting dealers know the best way to fix a non-safety issue. If you want to check for any open recalls, you can always enter your VIN on the NHTSA website. Real-world reports show that once the dealer replaces the faulty muffler under this TSB, the rough idle, loss of power, and those annoying misfires all go away. There are even sites online that post the full TSB text so you can print it out and show your service advisor if you're having trouble at the dealership. So if your F-150 Limited matches the build date and engine type, ask your dealer about TSB 19-2286. Have them do the muffler measurement, and if it's 584 mm or less, get that new muffler installed. If this info helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more car tips, and let me know down in the comments if you've had this issue or if you want me to cover any other TSBs or recalls. Thanks for watching and drive safe. The typical cost for this muffler fix, if not covered by warranty, is usually between $400 and $700, depending on your dealer and location.